How to know phone number clicks on your page on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to know your phone number clicks. Easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it. And here click on those three lines up there and go to your page. Once you are in your page, you're gonna find overview, click on it. Now, all you need to do is scroll down and click on Inside See All. Scroll down again and you're gonna find your page activity. In here, you're gonna find your phone number clicks. Instead of that 0, you're gonna find a number, and that number is number of people who click on your phone number on your page. So easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.